Okay students, in this video we will discuss calibration of pH meter having model number PHS-3C. At the top of its display you can clearly visualize there are three functional keys are available on its keypad. Number 1 is the cal button, number 2 is the pH 7 buffer, number 3 is the pH 4 buffer button. This model also contain a temperature probe. Connect all the electrodes to the jack back of the instrument, where on off button is also available. After pressing that button, instrument will on and display will show you pH and temperature in centigrade. Here you can also observe that major red light is on. For the calibration of this model, keep on pressing cal button till the red light move from measure to calibration. Take a calibrating solution of pH 4.01 buffer. On its bottle, pH values with respect to temperature is also written. So you can compare the value of pH with respect to a particular temperature. Now dip the electrode and temperature probe in a calibrating solution and press pH 4 button. Red light again return to its original or the initial state of measure, and instrument will show you a calibrated solution of 4.01 or about the 4 pH. In the same way you can also perform calibration of pH 7 buffer. For that you can also press or keep on pressing cal button. Instrument will again show you calibration, red light is on. Now you can put the electrode within the calibrating solution of 6.86. After calibration you can put the electrode within any solution for the measurement of pH. Keep the electrode within the saturated solution of KCl for its proper functioning. Take out the temperature probe from the solution and secure within the given sockets.